if cockroach be no, him for no leave the toilet pursue the ant o. Now the cock stay after him life. My country people, this one wey I wan share with una na something wey just happen o, wey I don receive now on top of my table. Say one Mr. Artist bin come studio wan come sing. On top of say make him for high so that he go dey see spirit. He don go high o, section wey him bin buy don sleep over. Before he go wake up, the section don finish. So right now we wan know whether e dey okay say make person for dey high dey enter studio dey sing, because some people feel say if they no high they no dey see the spirit wey dey pursue o. So we dey with our brother wey we don know for we country. If you never know am, you don miss am. Make you go find Mr. Dennis if you never know am. Na the oga kpatakpata for global Nigeria global, I mean the one wey you don see am finish, make I no tell you. If you want to read, if you read am. My country people, I welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
You look so good.
Thank you, sir.
I dey very happy to touch this hand. Sir, I wan know because una don deal with different set of people. Some people say we don feel say if they know say they no fit sing well o. Sir, how you dey take manage this people? E dey okay make person fit dey influence, get another influence before he himself enter sound booth go sing?
See, everybody know how things they work for themselves. They know how everything works for them.
Okay.
Now I done this situation where artists tell me say in guys they okay before you sing. And I ask a simple question. You know how your body they are be? Because my work is not to advise you. You came here for music production, no be moral advice. I'm not your daddy.
Okay.
I know it's not my work to advise you what to do and what not to do. But my work is to make sure that the music that you keep, because the primary objective when you take come my studio and say you need the music they produce properly, and everything that will help you produce properly, I am for it. Anything that will make I no produce that music, make it enter as it's supposed to be, I'm against it. First, if you high come, it's okay. But you know, one of the things where I do in my studio, I know they make it high inside my studio because me, I know they high. If I smell am, I fit sleep, leave you.
Okay.
So if you want to go do finish, come back, make me work. Or as you dey do, it be like say if you like do in the middle, we go pause the session, wait for you. If now so your body they work or your inspiration they work like that, I no get wahala. But no sleep leave session, no high misbehave, knock my microphone, make it spoil. You go buy am. Whatever work, waiting work for you, I will work with you with that. I'm not against people I'm not for people wey no dey.
Okay.
So I am on the fact say e dey help you. Do you know how your body dey react when this thing enter? Does it help both of us so that you sing well into the microphone and not spoil the mic in the course of trying to produce talent? Because your talent is as good to me as my equipment.
Okay, you don't touch that one well. You don't touch it like. Sir, this thing where they tell you don't reach where leave my trouser, leave my pants. I want to say producer say your section don't expire, and the guy say na lie, if I don't hold the section keep. So you don't want to say leave the pants, leave the trouser, leave the pants. Who dey right?
Like I said, when you come studio, you pay for time. And time you pay for, you don't pay for my life. So that small time when you go high, come back on sleep. Your time na go, no be my wahala.
Okay, so that means the producer dey right.
Yes, so you high, you don't concern me. Except you be pay exclusive, say you pay for song, you no pay for time. Those are two different ways you can pay. If you pay for time, when your time finish, Baba they go your house.
He say if I don't pause am.
Pause the time how?
Okay.
I no be your brother. I come here for business. My rent is well almost ₦1 million, more than $1 million. So now this thing I'll come they do like this parents.
Okay.
So it's about time. It's business because you come here because of business. Me and you know they play. You're not my last kid or last brother. You understand? We are here on business. So both of us got the focus. If in the course of doing business, you come go miss your way, the liability no go there on me. It dey on you wey miss way. Now you sleep, leave session.
Okay. My country people, You wey dey take small spirit make it for the sick ghost. My brother, if you wan take, make you know say you suppose don take am somewhere. If you don pay for section, no as you dey take am. You don hear wetin producer talk. But me no dey say make you for take o, and I no dey make you for no take. Na you sabi wetin dey take. My country people, wetin be your own? If you chook mouth put for the matter.